Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Christmas T-Rex or a Christmas dinosaur. It's going to be really simple, easy, completely for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner, you will be able to do this. And that is it, okay? So let's jump right into it. Before I do that, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw stuff within oh, by the way, the video is only 8 minutes as well. If you like learning how to draw stuff and learning very easy things to draw, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. All of these are about 10 minutes or so. And we go over everything: cartoons, comic books, characters from movies, all of that. So let's get started. Whew. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, draw the snout of the T-Rex, curve down. It's going to curve down. It's like the front of the nose, essentially. Going to pull back just a tad on that. Going to go over here to the eye. It's not the eye itself. It's that brow above the eye. Going over here. I'm going to throw a line over here. Up. That little curve is at the top of the eye. Line over here. Dot. Cool. Gonna go over here, continue the line over here to the back of the head. I'm gonna curve down here. Down the back, right here, another bump. Right here for the hind leg, another bump, another small bump. And then that's gonna roll right into the tail. Cool. Gonna pull back over here for the mouth. Curve here into a smile, because I want him to be like a happy T-Rex, because he's, Christmassy. Gonna go down here and throw right here a triangle line, another triangle, triangle here, triangle here, triangle here for the teeth. Bit of a line there. It's just kind of like almost like a comma or something like that, an upside down comma for the nostril. Pulling down here, back for the lower jaw. Curve underneath here. Down for the lower neck here. All right, doing good. Let's draw his little arms. We'll draw a line from here down, right there, then up. By the way, if you want to see any other dinosaurs, let me know. I will do that in a Christmassy fashion. Curve over here for one hand, and then like one finger, then the other finger. Down, up. Line over here. Curve down for the stomach area. Let's go to his other claw sticking out over here. So his arm over here, arm over here. Curve, curve for the far side hand. Go over here to the leg now. We're gonna go, well, before that, let's get it Christmassy going, all right? Let's draw the hat. Gonna go over here, draw a line up. And let's draw the back end of the hat. Will be over, I don't know, let's just say over here somewhere. And we're gonna draw this fuzziness to it, a zigzaggedy curve. Curve over here down. Curve up. Over here down. Right here for that ball. Same thing. You want it to be jaggedy to match the texture of that brim of that hat. Go over here, and I'm gonna curve over here. for the leg. So right here, we're going to have it's a curve here for one of the legs he's standing on. Down. Line over here for the hind part of the leg, the back of the leg. Line over here because you can have his heel back here, like so. Line over here, in for one claw. Line over here like so. Another claw right here for the other claw. Go over here, lower body. Pulling up. I'm going to go over here for the rest of the stomach. Just going to close off the rest of that stomach there. Let's go to the back side over here. So it's the same shape, so it's the leg in the background. Down. Line here, in, line here, in, line here, in. Up. Like so. And that's it. You have a Christmas T-Rex. If you want, you can throw even like a present in his hand or something like that. It's gonna be hard to overdo that, but that is pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. It's a great pleasure for me to do this stuff, for you every day. I post 3 videos every day, and then I post those videos into a playlist below, or a playlist section. Go to the playlist section, and you'll see everything put in there. That is pretty much it. Oh, excuse me, I have the hiccups. That's pretty much it. If there's any other dinosaurs that you want to see, let me know. I can go over like Stegosaurus or, the Christmas stuff, Christmas themed. I can go over, what else is there? Pteranodon. I mean, it's not technically a dinosaur. Stegosaur. What's that one? Triceratops. There's a whole lot I can go through. Just let me know and I will do it. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the love. Hit the like button if you did like this, and also share the video if you can with a friend that you think might enjoy this. And that's it. Talk to you later, and I will see you soon. One thing I want you to keep in mind when you're drawing is really stay in a positive state of mind. When you're in a positive state of mind and you're enjoying doing this and you love what you do, you're going to do this stuff better, and it's going to be easier for you to do. Okay, it's going to be easier for you to go through the process. So basically, when you draw, keep it easy, and it's going to be awesome. Okay, thank you so much, and I will talk to you next time. See you later. Say hi to me in the comments.